Hi, I'm Robin Higgins, and this is What is the Scientific Meaning of Solubility? All right, so solubility is the property of a solid, liquid, or gaseous substance called a solute to dissolve in a solid, liquid, or gaseous solvent to form a homogeneous solution of the solute in the solvent. All right, what does that mean? Basically, if something dissolves in something else, it's soluble in that thing. So if we put a bunch of sugar in water, stir it around, and it completely dissolves, we know that sugar is soluble in water. So let's go through a couple of examples just to make sure we understand what solubility is. So first one, sucrose, what I just said, a type of sugar. This is, yes, soluble in water. It will dissolve. Let's go to plastic. If you put a pen or a DVD case in water, it will not dissolve. This is not soluble. Next, let's go to carbon dioxide. So even though carbon dioxide is a gas at room temperature, it actually is soluble in water. So this is what carbonation is in sodas. So we put the carbon dioxide into our sodas, it's completely soluble, it has dissolved. Moving along, let's go to a diamond. Oh my gosh, I hope not. Diamonds are not soluble in water. You cannot ruin your diamond by putting it in a cup of water. Moving on to orange juice. So orange juice is interesting because maybe we'd want to say yes, but if we remember, orange juice also has pulp, and pulp, no matter how much you stir, does not go into water. So orange juice is not soluble. This is a good time to go over the definition of what a homogeneous solution means. So homogeneous means that it's exactly the same everywhere you look. So if we take a different portion of orange juice, if you look at the top of the cup, it looks a certain way. If you look at the bottom of a cup, it will look different because of the pulp and the other particles. This is not homogeneous. If, on the other hand, we take our sugar solution and we look at the top of the cup versus the bottom, it's going to look exactly the same. That is homogeneous. So continuing on, let's go to sodium chloride or salt. That is definitely soluble in water. And now we have, last but not least, oil. So oil, if you add it to water, will form two layers, and it is definitely not soluble. It cannot completely dissolve in water, so it's too different. I'm Robin Higgins, and this has been What is the Scientific Meaning of Solubility?